Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created today's eye look using my new Tarte palette right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my face makeup done, and to make sure that nothing looks cakey or powdery, I'm going to be taking one of my favorite facial sprays, and this is by Evian, and make sure that everything stays and looks pretty much fresh. And now for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this brand new palette by Tarte, and this is their Tarteist Pro Remix palette. And this palette is so beautiful. This is what the inside looks like. We have a lot of color selection here, and I'm thinking that for today I'm going to be focusing mainly on those blues and greens, maybe some black to make it a little bit smokier. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already primed my lids, and I'm using the Frankie Rose I Promised eye primer, and this is what it looks like. I'm wearing the shade Light. And now to set that primer, I'm going to be taking this shade right here in Mixed Media and apply it all over my lid. I did get a chance to attend the launch party for this palette thanks to one of my really good friends that took me as her +1, and the party was so fun. It was so cute. It was at a bowling alley, and I will post photos of the party right here. So we got the chance to eat, have some drinks, bowl, and also take a lot of pictures. So definitely a really good time at that party. Now taking the shade in Wall Art, I'm going to start applying that mainly on my crease. Okay, and now to add some color, I'm going to be taking the shade in Color Explosion and start applying that mainly on my crease and work that upwards. So normally I do like to apply a matte shade in my crease before I start applying any satin or shimmers, but I do want to try some things differently now because I mean it's makeup and you can basically do anything, which is why I decided to start with this shade, which is basically a shimmer. And now taking this blue shade right here in Artist, I'm going to apply that right under that green. So I'm kind of thinking I want to create sort of like a cut crease. So I'm going to be taking that black shade in ink and apply that right below that blue and then cut the crease. Okay, now before I cut the crease, I do want to work on my lower lash line. So I am going to be taking that black shade and applying it on my lower lash line, and then I am going to go over it with Color Explosion. Okay, so now taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I am going to be cutting only half of my crease right here because I still want to be able to see that blend of color. Okay, so I did go over the concealer with some of the eye primer just to get it a little bit brighter, and I also added more powder under my eyes because I was getting a lot of fallout and it was not cute. Okay, and now taking this shade right here in Art Deco, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my crease. And now I'm just going in with a little bit more of that black to my outer corner to create more dimension. And now taking this shade right here in Inspiration, I'm going to be adding that to my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, so now that I'm happy with the way that the eyeshadow looks, I am going to be applying some liner and lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put on some contacts and my eyes are now complete. So now I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm going to show you guys two different lip combos just because I couldn't decide which one I really wanted to rock. And this first option actually came in this cute little red clutch, and I'm obsessed with it. It's red, it's very holiday, very Christmassy, and I think it's so cute. So the product is right inside, and it actually came with 3 things. The first 2 things are actually pigments, and they came in these little bottles right here. One of them is a silver, and this one is a very beautiful pink purple. And my lip option is actually this thing right here, and this is a lip gloss. So this is what the packaging looks like up close. So cute. And this is what the inside looks like right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply this directly with my finger, and I love that it's a clear gloss with some glitter specks. I'm not sure if the red is actual pigment or just part of decor, but this is the product on my finger, and now applying it on my lips. Okay, so this is the final look with lip option number 1, and I'm actually really loving this lip gloss. I love how it's clear. I did not use a lip liner or anything. This is just right on my natural lips, and I love how it has the light hint of colorful glitter, so it gives it that extra umph, which I really like. And just for anyone wondering, this is by the brand Anna Sui, and this is their lip gloss in the number 400. Okay, so now for lip option number 2, I'm going to try out this lipstick right here by NCLA Beauty, and this is in the shade Beverly Hills Bad Girl. Okay, so this is a final look number 2, and I'm actually really liking the pink combination with this. Recently, I have been liking pinks a lot, so I figured I would try this bold lip with this eye color, and I'm kind of liking it. I feel like it's very Barbie, very holiday, very glam. So I hope you guys are liking it too, and let me know in the comment section down below what lip combination you guys liked best, if you guys like the pink or if you like lip gloss. Okay guys, so scratch that. I'm actually going to give you guys 3 options. Also this nude right here, this is actually a Tarte lippy. This is their Tarteist lip paint in the shade Salty, and I actually wanted to try out a all nude lip just because I'm a nude type of lipstick everyday wearer, so I figured a lot of you guys would like a nude lip. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys like the gloss, the pink lipstick, or this nude. Okay, so now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm going to move on to my hair, and I'm going to start by applying some dry shampoo just because I have not washed it today and I want to make sure that it looks fresh and clean. And recently I have been loving this one right here by Neuma. I love that it does not leave my hair white and it actually makes it look clean, because I've tried other dry shampoos where you spray it on, it does look very powdery, but it makes it look even dirtier and textured, I guess. And this one does not, and it also has more natural ingredients that are better for your hair. So this is the one that I'm going to use right now, and I mainly like to focus it on the crown of my head just because that's typically where I get the most oils. So I'm just going to spray that there and massage it into my skin and do that a couple of times. And I do like to not go too close to my hairline because then you are going to be able to see some product, and of course that's not what you want. You just want your hair to look pretty clean. So just massaging that in, make sure that it gets evenly distributed, and then voila, all done. And now to curl my hair, I'm going to be taking my classic wand by Neuma, and this is their 25mm, and it also comes with a glove so you do not burn yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and then start curling my hair. Okay, now taking my Redken hairspray, I'm just going to lightly spray my curls. And they're mainly more waves than curls, but this is what I like for everyday on the go hair. That doesn't take forever. And this is just my little hair that's finally growing out from when I shaved my head. So let's ignore that. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already, and be sure to turn on your post notifications as well by pressing that little bell button down below. That way you guys can be notified every single time I post any video. And don't forget to comment down below which lip combination you guys like the most, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.